So you finished writing your book, congratulations. Now comes the part that trips a lot of first. Time authors up, turning that Word document into an actual ebook that people can read on their Kindle. The good news, there is a free tool made by Amazon specifically for this, and by the end of this video you'll have a fully formatted ebook file ready to publish. Let's take it one step at a time. The tool we're using is called Kindle Create. It is free, it is made by Amazon, and its whole job is to take your Word document and turn it into something Kindles can actually read and display beautifully. You don't need any design experience. You don't need to know anything about coding or file formats. Just follow along. Before we open Kindle Create, we need to do one small but important thing in your Word document. Don't worry, it takes about 2 minutes. Click on your first chapter title, something like Chapter 1 or whatever you've called it. Now look up here at the top of Word, you'll see a row of style options. Find the one that says Heading 1 and click it. You'll notice the text might change size or color slightly. That is fine. What you've just done is told Word and soon Kindle Create, this is a chapter title. Do this for every single chapter title in your document. It sounds tedious, but this is the step that makes everything else work automatically. If you skip it, Kindle Create won't know where your chapters begin. Once you've done that for every chapter, save the file. Just press Ctrl+I on Windows or Command-I on a Mac. Now let's open Kindle Create. When it starts up, you'll see a welcome screen with a couple of options. Click Create New. It will ask you what kind of book you are making. For most books, fiction, memoir, self-help, most non-fiction, choose novel or narrative non-fiction. This creates what is called a reflowable ebook, meaning the text adjusts to whatever screen size the reader is using. Go ahead and click that. Now it will ask you to find your Word file. Navigate to wherever you saved it, your desktop, your documents folder, and click Open. Give it a few seconds to import. When it is done, you'll see your book appear inside Kindle Create with a list of your chapters running down the left side of the screen. If you can see all your chapters listed here, that is a great sign. It means those heading 1 styles we set earlier work perfectly. Now for the fun part, Kindle Create lets you choose a visual style called a theme for how your book will look. Think of it like choosing a font and layout style for the whole book at once. Click through the options and see how each one changes the look. For most books, something clean and easy to read works best. Once you've picked one you like, that style will apply to the whole book automatically. Now take a few minutes to scroll through your book chapter by chapter. You are just checking that everything looks right, that the text is readable. Chapters start where they should and nothing looks jumbled. One optional but nice touch: for the very first paragraph of each chapter you can apply a special style that adds a decorative large first letter called a drop cap. Select that first paragraph and on the right side choose Chapter Opening. It is a small detail that makes your ebook look really polished. See how that looks, much more professional. Every book needs a title page and a copyright page at the front. Kindle Create gives you space for these. Click on the title page section and type in your book's title, your name and anything else you'd like on that opening page. On the copyright page, include the year and your name, something like Copyright 2025, your name. All rights reserved. You can search online for a standard copyright page template if you'd like something more detailed. Before we export anything, we are going to preview the book exactly as a reader would see it. Click the preview button at the top. This shows you how your book looks on a real Kindle. You can switch between views to see how it looks on a phone, a tablet or an e-reader. Scroll through a few pages on each view. Make sure the text is readable, the chapter titles look right, and nothing is broken or out of place. If you spot something wrong, go back, fix it, then preview again. Once you are happy with how everything looks, it is time to export. Click on File at the top of the screen. Choose Export for distribution. Kindle Create will now package your whole book into a single file. It'll ask where you want to save it. Choose somewhere easy to find. Your desktop is perfect. The file it creates will end in KPF, that stands for Kindle Package Format, that is your finished ebook file. And just like that, you have a finished, properly formatted Kindle ebook. That KPF file is exactly what Amazon needs. When you go to publish on KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, you'll upload this file directly and Amazon will take it from there. If you are not sure what KDP is or how to actually publish and set your price, I've got another video that walks you through the whole upload process from start to finish. The link is right below. You are closer to being a published author than you think. Keep going.